AI is everywhere. Your phone, your car, your favorite apps. But it's not magic, and you don't need to be a techie to get it. The basics are actually pretty simple once you ditch the jargon. Today you'll learn to talk AI in under 5 minutes. No textbooks, no tech speak, just clear, real-world explanations. By the end, you'll know the 10 essential terms that power modern artificial intelligence. From the building blocks to the creative engines changing our world. This is your cheat sheet to the future. Ready to finally get what all the AI hype is about? Let's break down 10 smart terms, without the techie talk. First up, algorithm. Think of it as a recipe. A set of instructions a computer follows to solve a problem. It's behind everything from Google Maps finding your route to your social feed picking what you see. Algorithms are the step-by-step guides for every smart thing a computer does. They're the how-to manual for AI. Simple as that. If algorithms are recipes, machine learning is how AI gets better at cooking, without rewriting the recipe. Instead of just following instructions, it learns from data and experience. Show it thousands of cat photos, and it figures out what a cat looks like on its own. That's how your spam filter improves and Netflix nails your recommendations. Machine learning means AI gets smarter with practice. How does AI learn? Enter neural networks, the digital version of your brain. They're made of layers of connected nodes like brain cells that process information. Each layer finds patterns from simple shapes to complex features. That's how your phone predicts your next word or a translation app understands sentences. Neural networks are the brain power behind machine learning. They turn data into decisions. Neural networks need training, just like athletes. Data training is their workout. Show them millions of examples, and they get better with each try. For car recognition, feed them endless car photos. For faces, endless faces. Each guess, right or wrong, helps them adjust and improve. This repetitive practice turns blank slate AI into a specialist. Training is how AI masters its tasks. Once trained on images, AI gets computer vision, the power to see. It unlocks your phone with your face, helps cars spot pedestrians, and even checks store shelves. Computer vision bridges digital and physical worlds. It's everywhere from agriculture drones to medical scans. It gives machines sight. Can computers understand us? That's natural language processing, or NLP. It's how Siri gets your weather request and chatbots answer questions. NLP powers autocorrect, translation apps, and tools like ChatGPT. It lets us talk to tech in plain language. NLP makes AI conversations feel human. Now, generative AI, AI that creates. Give it a prompt and it writes poems, draws art, or composes music. Tools like ChatGPT and DALL-E imagine new things, not just analyze old ones. Generative AI is the creative side of artificial intelligence. It's digital imagination at work. What powers generative AI? Large language models, or LLMs. They're trained on massive amounts of text, books, websites, conversations. LLMs can answer questions, write emails, summarize, code, and more. They're the brains behind ChatGPT and Google Gemini. LLMs are the engines of today's smartest AI. With great power comes responsibility. Enter responsible AI. It's about building AI that's fair, safe, and ethical. That means avoiding bias, being transparent, and protecting against misuse. Developers must be accountable for AI's impact. Responsible AI keeps technology on the right track. The one thing you control? The prompt. It's your question or command to the AI. Clear, detailed prompts get better results. Vague ones don't. Think of it as giving directions to a very literal robot. Learning to write good prompts, prompt engineering, is key to using AI well. The better your prompt, the smarter your AI. That's it. 10 key terms to unlock the world of AI. Now you know how AI learns, thinks, creates, and why responsibility matters. You're ready to join the conversation and try new tools. AI isn't as mysterious as it seems. Stay curious, keep learning, and experiment for yourself. If this helped, subscribe for more simple AI guides. TechOmind is here to help you decode the future. Like, share, and join us.